The difference between the content that gets ignored and that gets shared or becomes viral, the first 3 seconds. Let me show you how AI helps hook readers and keep them engaged. Whether it's blogs, social posts, or video scripts, engaging content has a hook, grab attention immediately, a value, answer a question or solve a problem, a personality, sound human, not corporate, not AI, and a call for action. Tell them what to do. AI can help with all four. In this video, we will cover blog post outlines and intros, social media captions that stop the scroll, video, script hooks and structures, and making AI content sound like human, sound like you. The secret? Specificity beats generic every time. How to save money is boring. How I cut my grocery bill by $300 a month without coupons makes you click. Now let's look at some demos. So the first demo, the prompt that I have used for this demo is to create an engaging blog post outline on 5 morning habits that boost productivity. Include catchy title options, compelling intro hook that starts with a problem, 5 main sections with actionable subpoints, and a conclusion with a clear CTA. CTA stands for call to action. Target audience, busy professionals who struggle with morning routines. Now let's look at the output of ChatGPT. As the prompt said, create compelling in hook that starts with a problem and 5 main sections. So it's created a blog post for you about 5 morning habits with a target audience in mind, 5 catchy title options like 5 morning habits that turn chaos into calm and productivity, and so on. A compelling hook. You wake up late again, your phone's buzzing, your inbox is already filling up, and the main section with actionable subpoints. Start your day screen-free first 30 minutes, hydrate and move your body, plan your top 3 priorities, fuel smart, practice a 5-minute mindset reset, and conclusion. Now, based on the prompt, it has generated a blog idea for me and I can write that out, or I can ask AI to generate a first draft Word blog post. Now let's look at another demo. In this demo, we are taking help from AI to generate social media captions. And the prompt I'm using is write 5 different Instagram captions for a photo of homemade sourdough bread. Each should have a different angle, educational, humorous, storytelling. Keep under 150 characters for main text. Include relevant emoji suggestions and 5 hashtag recommendations. Now I've given this prompt to AI and AI will generate 5 caption styles for my homemade sourdough bread post. Educational, perfect crust. Steam your oven with a tray of water. Humorous, raising dough like it's my side hustle. And yes, it took me 18 hours. It's humorous. Storytelling, a hook or a social media caption based on question-based. Inspirational. And now it can also help you tone based on, now you can use further questioning, further prompts to refine the messaging based on the tone that you prefer. In the third demo, let's use a prompt to generate video script hooks. So in this prompt, I'm saying write 10 different opening hooks, first 8 seconds for a YouTube video about how to save money on groceries, make them attention grabbing, using curiosity gaps, bold statements, surprising statistics, no clickbait, keep it honest but compelling. So based on the prompt, ChatGPT has given me 10 attention grabbing opening hooks for the video script. For example, what if I told you the average family throws away $800 of groceries every year without even realizing it? See how helpful AI can be? Now the last demo is where we will generate a complete video script. So the prompt for this is write a 60-second TikTok or Instagram reel script about why your house plants keep dying. Structure, like we said, a hook, 5 seconds, a problem acknowledgement, 10 seconds, 3 quick tips or a solution, and a call to action, 10 seconds. Make it casual, friendly, and slightly humorous. Based on the prompt that we have given, in just few seconds, ChatGPT or AI assistant has generated a script or a 60-second TikTok reel idea for you. Why my house plants keep dying, a 60-second, problem acknowledgement, 3 quick tips, and a seed. See how AI can be super helpful in creating social media content or in general content. Now, the biggest challenge you will face when working with an AI agent is that AI will have a very standard response. You could read it and you would guess it's a response from AI. You need your personality in the responses. You need a human touch in the responses. So you can, whatever output you're looking for, you write that prompt, and beside the prompt, you add another line, which could be this as simple as write in a conversational tone, like talking to a friend. Use contradictions, short, punchy sentences, and occasional humor. Sound like a real person and not a corporate announcement. So, whenever you write a prompt, instruct AI to generate responses as if AI is a human and not AI. You can always write that, and AI will synthesize its responses and make it more conversational, make it more human sounded. I hope the demo was useful, but there are few tips. Start with the benefit, not the introduction. Ask AI for multiple angles. Give me 5 different ways to introduce this topic. Inject your own stories so that the output from AI looks personalized. Now, everybody, when talking to AI, makes some common mistakes. Do not copy paste AI content and paste it without personalizing it. Always add your personal anecdotes, update with current references, remove overly formal language, make sure it sounds like you, not a robot. When you generate an AI content, especially for posting on social media, when you read that content, ask yourself this question: would your friend know if the content is generated by AI or has been written by you? Now, a challenge for you. Based on the prompts I've shown you, create one piece of content you need for this week's post on social media. In the comments below, share the prompt you used and share the output, or in fact, you can even tag your post. Now, in the next video, we will be editing and improving your writing. Turn good into great instantly. Make sure you're subscribed. Thank you.